Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aisna News. In today's video, I will share with you latest news.
Yoongi Hayoung, BTS J-Hope and Shin Suga for the first time since the DU controversy, fan burst into tears. J-Hope mentioned Suga for the first time since DU controversy as the Sweet Dreamland fan and the event leaving fans emotional and hopeful for rapper long-awaited return. And BTS J-Hope recently held his Sweet Dreamland live for an event where he interacted with fans, answered their question and share a fun moment with the audience. However, one particular moment stood out and quickly became a hot topic among the fans worldwide. J-Hope mentioned Suga for the first time since his DU controversy, making it an emotional moment for ARMY. And during the question and answer session, fan asked J-Hope a thought-provoking question: if you were born again, which BTS member would you want to be? At first, J-Hope seemed caught off guard by the question, hesitating before playfully answered, "Wow, this is hard. Just be born." As the J-Hope, his initial response drew laughter from the crowd, but he continued contemplating his option. And after a moment of the thought, he began naming different members, saying, "Who should I pick? V, Jungkook, Jin, not bad." He then jokingly added, "How does it feel to be that handsome?" causing the audience to burst into laughter. "I want to be born as someone with a completely different personality than me," he revealed. As he continued to liberate, the crowd suddenly erupted, loudly shouting "Yoongi" in unison, referring to BTS Suga. The moment took J-Hope by surprise, and he responded with a laugh, repeating "Yoongi Hayoung." Fans could not contain their excitement, as this was the first time J-Hope publicly mentioned Suga since the DU incident in August 2024. And despite the audience enthusiasm, J-Hope ultimately made a different choice, stating, "I'll choose Seokjin. I see him often and I think he's really unique. He really lives a different life and thinks so different from me. I think that would be fun." His answer was met with cheer, but fans could not help but dwell on the rare mention of Suga. Meanwhile, since Suga DUI controversy, he has remained noticeably absent from the social media, leaving fans concerned about his well-being. The rapper, who is currently enlisted in the military, has not posted any update on the viewers on Instagram and since August 2024, and leading to the speculation about when or if he will return to the public eye. With Suga's birthday approaching on March 9, many fans are hoping that he will finally break his silence and reconnect with ARMY. His prolonged absence has been particularly different for fans, as he always been there to cheer fans with his wise word. And J-Hope mention of Suga, though brief, sparked a wave of emotion within the fandom. Many took to social media to express their feeling. For now, ARMY continue to support BTS and cherish these small moments that are remind them of the deep bond between the members.
This video, like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.